It started snowing again today. Not a lot, but enough to make it feel like winter again for a few hours. And then by the afternoon, it was gone. Spring here is really tricky. It just sort of comes and goes for a while. During the winter months, it's easy to fall into routines. You're a bit more tired, so you just cook what you know. The meals that you know work well. The ones that you don't have to think a lot about. And that's usually enough. But after a while, it all starts to feel a bit repetitive. Not bad, just the same. When the sun comes back and you get some more energy, it feels easier to start changing up things. You get excited to cook new things again. To change things up, you don't need to come up with completely new dishes. For me, I just take something I already use and cook it slightly different. It doesn't have to be a big idea, just enough to make it feel more interesting. Cabbage is one of those ingredients I usually buy. It's cheap, it lasts long, and somehow there is always half of it left in the fridge. It's also one of those things that are easy to underestimate. Most of the time it's just there, on the side of something else. But if you cook it properly, it actually holds up really well on its own. It doesn't fall apart quickly. It takes on color really nicely, and it has more flavor than you expect. I think a lot of the time, we assume you need a lot of ingredients to make something interesting. That more ingredients mean more flavor. You usually just need a few things that work well together. For these, I wanted to go in a slightly different direction with the flavor. Something stronger, something that does most of the work on its own. So I'm using Gochujang. I'm probably not pronouncing that right. Sorry for that. But it's a Korean fermented chili paste. It's one of those ingredients that's hard to describe properly. It's spicy, but also a bit sweet, and it has that deep, slightly savory flavor from fermentation. It's not very sharp or aggressive. It's more round. And together with the sweetness of the honey and the saltiness of the soy sauce, the umami, it just comes together really nicely. I like using ingredients from different cuisines like this. Not to make something authentic, just to try new flavors. You don't have to overthink it. Just try it and adjust if needed. Cooking doesn't have to be that serious. I like this kind of cooking where you don't need 20 different ingredients, but the ones you use actually contribute something. It feels a bit more relaxed, and it's also easy to adjust. If you want more heat, you add a little bit more gochujang, and if you want sweeter, you add a bit more honey. I like serving this with rice. Something simple that doesn't compete with the flavors. Something that just holds everything together. This is one of those dishes that looks humble, but it really delivers. And sometimes, something new you try once just becomes something you keep coming back to.